from any of the parties. They will say, okay, let's give him chance. But as it is now, the Southeast must be given chance. I stand on it that the Southeast must be given a chance. If Southwest has failed, if North has failed, or Northwest or Northeast or not anything has failed so far in leadership, then let us try one Southeast, at least one chance. And not the popular one chance where people are robbed. Yes. They should be given a chance to do, and then let us see what will come from there. Something better can come from there.
Is that an appeal to the Southwest and the Northerners who have deep reservation against having an Igbo man in the position of power in Nigeria?
Well, if you call it appeal, maybe because you are a journalist, that's why you call it appeal. Me, I don't want to call it an appeal. I want to call it that it is at this point of time mandatory. Because they told us that the three major tribes in Nigeria are what? Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba. Abi? So why will I not appeal for an Igbo man to become a leader in Nigeria? No need to appeal. I don't understand. He stand the chance to do. So we can collectively come together and vote for him or her. Anyone that come out from there. And let's see what will happen. If they were able to manage themselves after the Civil War and they are still there, doing business, profitable businesses, and growing from strength to strength, owning properties that the people that did not even suffer from the war cannot own. You understand? Then there's something that is in them that Nigeria needs and that they will give to Nigeria. So that's why I say they should be given their due chance.
It seems to be in the same page with the former president of Nigeria, Olusegun Obasanjo, who a few days ago came out and said, this is the reason why I supported P2B. Do you share the same vision with the former president?
I share the same vision with him. I've always shared the same vision with him. Yes, I must tell you the truth. Always, anywhere, anytime. Because I found out that among all the past presidents that we have today, he's the only one that has performed very well. We can see how his policies work for Nigeria. You can see how he went all around the whole world, cancelling the debt of Nigeria, brought in technocrats that were able to handle every section. I know the Southwest are not happy with him because he did not use the cronies, because he's not clannish and he's not tribal. That's why the Southwest hated him. Obasanjo is a detribalized man. For the first time in Obasanjo government, the Igbos had key positions which other regions does not even want Igbo man to hold. And they did well. They did well. Soludo did well. That Igbo man. Okonjo Iweala from Delta, she speak Igbo. She did well. Frank Weke Jr., he did well.
You see how these people now...
Yes. They did well. Frank Weke Jr., they did well.
Yeah, Frank Weke.
Dora Akuiri, of blessed memory, did well. So what are you telling me? All these people, they left a landmark which they laid down and other people came and scattered it. and scattered it. So what are we saying? What are we talking about? We have capable hands there. God is the one who deposited those ones there. Eh? But the evil in us in Nigeria do not want those people to come out and help Nigeria out of this culture. Yes.
What do you want to say to Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who has not been able to? Nigeria does not know where he is currently now. Possibly the media aides are not doing well in that regard. We're able to tell Nigerians his whereabouts currently now. Is there anything you want to say about that?
I want to tell Bola Ahmed Tinubu, number one, he should caution his wife very well. The wife should not be referring to him, my husband, my husband, my husband. It's not a matter of my husband, no. It's a matter of Bola Ahmed Tinubu that is in the federal government in Aso Rock. When they get home, she can address him in their bedroom as my husband. I don't understand. But when it comes to federal issue, it's not a question of my husband, no. It's a question of the person that is leading right now. And then for Bola Ahmed Tinubu, well, he deceived us. He has deceived us many times, and he deceived us again. He said he's going to cut his travels short. That's what he promised us some months ago. And because he knows that Nigerians are very gullible, Nigeria must have forgotten that he said something like that. He resumed again. Went to China. From China, UK, business. Came back. Went back to UK. From UK, France. And in fact, we don't even actually know where he is now. It has always been his time. He will withdraw into the shelf. And then he doesn't want people to know where he is.
But some people are saying that he's preparing to bring in a new hand, a new cabinet at the end of the day. Do you foresee that actually from that angle?
I think what I would say to that is that when a snake is pregnant, we still deliver the same long thing like the snake. Except God be on our side. That's the only way we can be delivered from the hand of this present government of APC, headed by Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I speak the truth.
Thank you, sir.